Hey friend, and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm coming to you with yet another new unit. This one is going to be from the Sensational Butta 90s Bangs collection. It's in the style 90s Bangs, unit 904, and it's in the color number 2. So here's what the stock card for her is looking like. And of course, they're going to go into details as far as the construction of the unit on the stock card. This unit is going to be available in 5 special colors. So as far as the construction on this one, straight out of the box, you are going to see these cute little bangs that they got going on, and they're going to be right in the front. You are going to get a deep curved C part for the voluminous bangs, honey, and it is going to come pre-plucked. You can style it with or without bangs. Inside of the cap, you are going to notice that you are going to get 2 combs in the front. This is going to be a right side part, so you see that curved lace for the parting space. And for the back of the unit, you are going to get a comb in the back as well as your adjustable straps and an adjustable elastic band. And this one was made on a mesh wig cap. So first I'm just going to go in with my liquid foundation and start adding that to the lace to start tinting it out. First I'm going to put this foundation on my makeup sponge and then use the sponge to apply the foundation to the inside of the lace. So here's what it's looking like after I've applied that foundation to the inside of the lace. And now here's what it's looking like on that wig head. Honey, look at these curls. I love that it's flipped on the sides. It's really cute. It's giving me like Farrah Fawcett vibes. And then I just wanted to show you guys what the hairline's looking like if you were to wear it without the bangs. If you were going to wear it without the bangs, honey, I would definitely suggest going in and trying to plug it out to the best of your ability. You won't get a whole lot of lace to work with behind this area. So just keep that in mind. You may end up having to get rid of some of these bangs if you're trying to go and pluck it out and make the hairline look realistic if you're wearing it without bangs. Now I'm just going in and pinning the hair back so I can get ready to start cutting the lace off. And first, as always, I'm just going to go in with my embroidering scissors and start by cutting around the ear tabs. And then after I'm done cutting around the ear tabs, I'm just going to go in and start creating slits. And this is going to make it easier for when I go in with my scalloped pinking shears and start cutting off the additional lace so that I have that wavy pattern built in. When it comes to cutting off the lace with the pinking shears, I found that it makes it easier the more slits you kind of create, but not too many slits, but just enough. So as you can see right here, I'm going in with my 18mm scalloped pinking shears, and I grabbed these from Amazon. These are going to be the scissors that come in the wavy pattern. They do also have serrated pinking shears, which are the one that come with those jagged cuts. I don't really have a preference one way or another, but all I know is I am using some sort of pinking shears when it comes to cutting my lace off because it just makes my life 10 times easier and makes the install so much quicker. So that's with the lace cut off, and now I'm just installing it on my head. Honey, I'm not usually a right part girl. I wish this one was a left part, but the look as a whole was cute, so I figured why not give it a try. I really love the vibes of these 90s wigs that they've come out with, so I just wanted to see how it looked on myself. As you can see right here, I'm just kind of brushing the hair down, and I wanted to kind of pull out those bangs. I like that they make it so the bangs are not super dense. They give you just enough hair so that if you wanted to brush them back into the hairline, you can absolutely do that and get away with not wearing them at all. As far as the texture on this one, honey, it is beautiful. Of course, it's gonna be kinky straight, and I'm sure you can see that on the camera. The texture on this one is absolutely beautiful. It's giving me like blowout vibes, which I absolutely love. It is gonna come with some layers, which I absolutely was here for. As far as the cap size on this one, I did go in and adjust that adjustable elastic band as tight as I could go, and it's fitting my head perfectly, so I was able to work CLUELESS. So if your head is any bit bigger than mine, mine is 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference, I think you'll be fine because it does have some stretch to the cap. The density on it is sitting at least 150%, maybe between 160 to 170, so it is the perfect amount of hair. It's not thin at all, it's like right in the middle. So right now I'm just kind of figuring out what to do with the baby hairs on the other side where the bang won't be as prevalent. I'm just gonna go in with some of my foaming mousse and start trying to slick those baby hairs into the hairline, give myself a little bit of a baby swoop. I haven't really done baby hairs in forever, but for this look, I feel like it kind of called for it, so that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm going in with my Esha Melt and Slay spray and adhering those baby hairs down. I didn't want it to be too prevalent, but I just wanted it to be just a little touch so it didn't look a little bit lopsided and awkward when going in and pulling out the bangs on this other side. Now I'm just going in with my eyeshadow from the Warrior 2 palette and just applying that to the lace. And that's it, you guys. This one is absolutely going to be for the beginner friendly crowd. This is going to be for the girls that want a cute look but they don't want to do all the extra. One of the things that I do like about this collection is the fact that you do have a realistic look. Like, it looks as if I have more lace than I actually do, which I like. And this also helps with me being able to style it in different styles. So they do a really good job when it comes to making their lace front wigs look believable enough that it could be a frontal. So you absolutely don't have to be confined to just the style that it comes in, you guys. You can definitely make it work for yourself. I'm just trying to show you guys a couple other options that you have just so that you understand that you're not stuck with the way that it comes. You could just make it work for yourself. So the length on this one, you guys, are going to be 23 inches, so it's not too long. I feel like it's definitely reasonable. I feel like this is absolutely one I could see myself wearing every day for work. It's not doing too much. The style is very cute, and like I said, you do have the option to comb those baby hairs into the hairline if that's not the look that you're going for. But I really do like the bang look, especially like I said, because they're nice and thinned out. It absolutely is giving me 90s vibes. So when it comes to my cons and pros on this unit, I honestly can't really say that I have any cons. The stock art is true to how the look actually looks when you put it on your head. As far as my pros are concerned, I really like the fact that it wasn't too much work at all after you cut off the lace. All you have to worry about is, do you want the bangs? Do you not want the bangs? Are you gonna comb them into the hairline? It's really not too much work to do, which I absolutely was here for. I really like the texture of it, the length, the density, and it's very lightweight. As a whole, is this one that I would get again? I think so, just because I think the look is cute, and like I said, you can absolutely make it work for yourself. And that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.